Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate your amazing text effect using this new CapCut AI feature. So if you guys didn't know, there is a new feature where you can create your own text effect. Here you can just go to text and here go to the text template and you'll find this AI options. Click on that. So when you click that, here you can see you can create amazing text effect with simple prompts. So you can just write your text. For example, I'm going to just add this text. Click on the check icon. Now describe the text effect that you want. I'm going to just write star, for example, and after that here click on generate, or you can also find the showcase I mean. So for example, I'm going to try to food because my video is about food, so I'm going to use food. Here I'm going to use, for example, okay, this cream. Click on use prompt, and after that click on generate. Okay, so just wait until the text is created. Okay, you can see now this is the text that I create with the simple prompt. Just click on add, and after that it will automatically add it to the. So to find the text, just click on AI text. So this is the text that I create. Just like that, it will be added to your video. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.